What's up, everybody? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen here with another episode. Today, what we're gonna be making is one of the easiest appetizers that you'll ever make, dude. And we're not gonna fry these today, folks. We are baking them, get it a little bit more healthy for you. It's gonna be real nice right there, all right?
Dude, Mark, jalapenos are a little bit too spicy for my taste buds, dude. I don't know if I can eat these.
Don't worry, we're scraping out the seeds on these for an easy taste buds experience. Here's what you need to get started making your homemade jalapeno poppers. This is probably your most important ingredient in your jalapeno poppers. It has texture, flavor, saltiness.
Only the real ones know that you make bacon in the oven 425 degrees until it's crispy, dude. Take your jalapenos, I did about 10, cut them in half and scrape out the seeds and stems until they're hollowed out and ready to stuff. For the filling, you're gonna want 1.5 bricks of cream cheese, a little bit of jalapenos, 1/4 cup of cilantro, some onion powder, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, garlic salt, and a little bit of some hot sauce if you like it spicy, and a nice big handful of sharp cheddar and Monterey Jack. Chop your crispy bacon up and mix it in. Then we're ready to stuff these jalapenos. Take a spoon and just smooth out your mixture until they're all stuffed to the brim. And for that extra spice and crisp, we're gonna add some Sriracha panko breadcrumbs here. We're gonna bake these at 425 for 20 minutes and they're ready to eat.
Look at this perfection. Got no choice but to dive right in. That's a real nice popper right there, dude. So cheesy, ooey gooey goodness, and the panko breadcrumbs on top is the perfect touch. Gives it a nice little zip. This is the perfect appetizer to bring to your next party. It's super easy, super good, and it's real nice right there, right? Thank you all for tuning in to another episode of Mark's Kitchen. And you already know what they say. If you can do it in Mark's kitchen, you can do it in your kitchen. Peace.